Welcome to a region known as the Hiawatha River Valley. Its beauty is a constant reminder of Great River Organic Milling's commitment to sustainable agricultural practices. One of Great River Organic Milling's goals is to source locally grown grains. The majority of our hard red spring wheat is grown in the Dakotas. We are proud to say that we offer over 50 different products made in the USA. The main focal point in our logo is a blue heron. They can be found along the backwaters of the Mississippi River. That's just about 10 miles as a crow flies from this location. Let's go inside and see how the flour is made. Here you will see the miller dressing or resurfacing the stones. This is necessary to maintain quality and consistency in our stone ground flour offerings. The mill has been reassembled and is ready for the grain to flow down between the stones to grind into flour. The coolness of the stones helps maintain the nutritional integrity of the organic whole grains within our stone ground flour offerings. Here you will see a 6,000 bushel silo that stores and feeds the grain into the mill. As a specialty miller, we can do batch sizes that range from a few hundred pounds to 44,000 pounds. Once the grain flows through the milling equipment, it is brought back upstairs and moves through a sifting process. The miller will check the flour to see if it meets the granulation specifications. We offer over 28 whole grains and over 40 different stone ground flour options. In the secondary milling area, whole grain buckwheat is dehulled, and the hulls are then set aside. What remains are a few speckled parts of the hulls for the traditional buckwheat flour, but a baked great consistency for crepes, breads, and more. Here you can see the miller preparing the commercial bulk bag that can hold up to 2,000 pounds. While this shows the commercial fulfillment capabilities at Great River Organic Milling, that's not just it. Stay with us for more on our range of packaging sizes. The mill's production has been ever growing in the past 10 years. In 2010, a 7,200 square foot warehouse was added on to the main milling building for increased production. This loading dock allows accessibility for incoming grain and outgoing order shipments. In the small bagging area, products are packaged in 4-packs and prepared for shipments to Amazon warehouses throughout the United States. We proudly offer products that are kosher approved and certified organic by Quality Assurance International, made from organic grains that are non-GMO. Over the past 10 to 15 years, Great River has grown from a small milling facility shipping truckloads monthly to shipping truckloads daily. We mill fresh to order and proudly offer an ever-growing variety of product options. Shipments to natural grocery stores are made through UNFI to bring you quality organic stone ground flours so you can bake great. Not too far from the main milling facility, A secondary warehouse and office space was purchased as of the summer of 2020. This new space allows for additional outgoing order shipments and fulfillment to Amazon, Whole Foods Market, and other fine retailers. In the spring of 2018, we added a new line of products. We wanted to offer the same exceptional quality at affordable pricing. Options include gluten-free, conventional, and organic. As you can see, the new location is growing. The goal is to have this facility up and ready by the summer of 2021. With an addition of 25,000 square feet of space for additional packaging and warehousing capabilities, this will provide additional space for dedicated allergen-free lines and more. We're excited about this growth and how Great River Organic Milling can further provide a variety of product options in stores near you. To learn more, check out our website